Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well today. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my free aftercare lash care kit. Alrighty, so first I'm going to be starting off by making the covers for my spoolies, and I just use some basic simple paper straws. Again, these aftercare kits are actually free to my clients. I give aftercare kits and also just toolkits for free to my clients all the time because I feel like it's an essential. So I do like to be, costly conscious because nobody's actually purchasing these. I'm just giving them away. Also, if you don't want to sell your product on the side, but you do want a little bit more higher quality aftercare kits, you could also just include how much it costs to make that aftercare kit into the price of the lashes. So like 10-15 bucks. You other way, that you buy where you like it. It's like me to try it. Just relax and let the business. I'm all you in between. Get up and wait. Get up and get up and wait. So now it's on to making our lash babs. For my lash bab containers, they're already boiled and dried, but these are just the basic 2-ounce foam pump containers. So first thing I'm going to add to my lash babs is this pH balancing liquid. Not so much, just like the tiniest little bit. I use a dropper to add this in, so just a very little bit. And then for concentrate, I'm going to be using the Prolong concentrate. For the really small bottle, or like the biggest size before you get to the pro one, I would say I get maybe in between 8 to 10 washes, like bottles with that. So I do recommend you, if you can splurge, go ahead and get the pro size, because I swear it just lasts so much longer. You get a little bit more bang for your buck. But yeah, once I have all of that in, I'll be filling up my bottles with distilled water. And once I finish filling them up with water, I'll go ahead and shake. You other way, that you buy where you like it. It's like me to try it. Just relax and let the business. I'm all you in between. Get up and wait. Get up and get up and wait. So now I'm going to be applying my stickers, and I use the black stickers only. Again, these go out to my clients for free. I don't include the aftercare kit into my pricing at all. Like, this is literally always just a gift for me. My client can decide whether they want to use it or not, but I don't go for all the customizing, like labeling and this and that, because I'm not making any profit off of this. This is just a free gift. This is to make sure that my client gets good retention with her set. She gets the most money for her set, you know. So I don't really care to have the label, the ingredients on the bottle, and this and that. If my client for some reason isn't comfortable with it, they are more than welcome to buy their own kit. But for me, these are free. I'm not gonna spend the extra dollar on each kit just to have a customized label so that my clients can see. I've been doing this for about 3 years and I've never had any complaints. But yeah, so for my kits, I do add them into these little mesh bags. I believe these are 5x7. And in each bag, I put 2 mascara wands, 1 cleansing brush, some business cards, and then 1 shampoo. And that is basically what I do for a couple of kits. And then I also just have toolkits just in case my client doesn't need, and oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Just in case my client doesn't need a shampoo, they can just grab just mascara wands and cleansing brushes. But yeah, you guys, that is my lash cleansing kits, like how I get them together and stuff like that. Like I said, again, you can definitely go the more professional route and get customized everything, but for me, these are free. I give these as a gift. They're not included with the price. I'm not upcharging my client even more. None of that. So this is just a gift for me, so I like to spend, you know, the lowest amount that I can. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see next, and subscribe to my channel. Sorry if I do sound a little under the weather today, or like I'm cracking up. My throat's feeling a little weird today. Not bad, but it's just like it's feeling some type of way. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.